In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your HubSpot password quickly and easily. If you've forgotten your HubSpot password or simply want to change it for security reasons, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step in this process, ensuring that you can follow along effortlessly and reset your password with confidence. First, let's navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL hubspot.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a button labeled Login on the top right corner of the page. Click on Login and you'll be directed to the sign-in page. Here, beneath the fields for your email and password, focus on the HubSpot Home section, where you'll need to proceed to the profile settings. To access this, look for your profile icon or image at the top right-hand corner of the page once you're logged into your HubSpot account. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Profile and Preferences. This will take you to a new page where you will manage various aspects related to your account. On the Profile and Preferences page, find the section labeled Security. This is where you'll be able to manage security settings, including your password. Clicking on Security will open up the appropriate settings page. Once on the security page, locate the option to reset your password. You may notice a button clearly marked Reset Password. Click on this button to proceed. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your intention to change the password. Make sure to follow any on-screen instructions carefully. You might be required to enter some account information for verification purposes. Once confirmed, you will receive further instructions to set a new password. Ensure you create a strong, unique password that you have not used before. Combining letters, numbers, and special characters is usually a good way to make your password secure. Enter the new password as directed and don't forget to save your changes. After updating your password, it's a smart practice to log out and log back in with the new credentials to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Take a moment to jot down your new password securely, or use a password manager to keep track of it so you won't forget it in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your HubSpot password. Remember, keeping your password updated and secure is crucial to protecting your personal information and ensuring the security of your HubSpot account. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next video.